Hey guys, welcome to this email marketing course. So in this free email marketing course, we will going to teach you a lot of things. We will going to teach you with different platforms, whether that's a Salesy, whether that's a MailChimp or any other email marketing platform. So basically it doesn't depend upon the email marketing platform. So inside this course, we will going to teach you a lot of amazing concepts, so with that concepts you can apply to any email marketing platform. Okay, and one more thing which I just want to tell you, that inside this course we will going to use the power of ChatGPT to do a lot of amazing things. Okay, so inside this free course you will use the AI tool ChatGPT that will going to make your email marketing to the next level. Okay, so here we will teach you how you can embed the forms, okay, with all the free resources, how you can just create forms with different platforms, which platform to choose, and each and everything has been covered in this free email marketing course. So if you guys are interested and want to learn about email marketing from scratch, so this is the right course for you as a beginner. Okay, so if you are beginners in email marketing, if you want to learn each and everything from scratch, so I will suggest you guys to watch this free course from starting to end. It will really going to help you out to do email marketing and understand a lot of concepts like lead magnet, list, segments, form, and plenty of other things which are very much important in the field of email marketing as a beginner. So please make sure you watch the free course from starting to end. That will really going to help you out. Guys, we will going to teach you about email marketing, okay, in very simple and basics with some presentations and graphics. So now guys, email marketing. Now what is email? So you all know what email is, the email which we get, okay. So that is email marketing. For example, I can just show you, okay. So for example, whenever we just send any people the email, we get the email, right? Even you can use some Gmail as well. Remember all these things, okay? So this is basically emails, okay? So in email marketing, what we do is that we collect, wait, let me just write here some text so that I can make you guys understand the things in the very simplest way. Okay, so emails, or I can say email marketing. So email marketing basically helps you to send emails to people. Okay, so for example, with this email what you can do is that we have, let's say, people. So every people has some email address. Okay, so let's say let's take with other examples, other people. Okay, so some may have email, let's say, mm, 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 mm. Let's say her email address is, let's say, Jenny. Okay, her email address is, let's say, Jenny at the rate, let's say, gmail.com. This could be her email. Okay, let's say other type of email can be, let's say, John at the rate, let's say, yahoo.com. Okay, this can be email. Other type of email can be, let's say, Outlook. Okay, or some can even use the custom domain, that is business email as well. Let's say in our case, let's say it's help at the rate, it can be apple.com. In our case it's kukucourses.com. Okay, so what happens in the email marketing is that we basically collect the emails of people. So for example, we can collect the Jenny email address, we can collect the John's email address, okay, and we can collect any people's email address, okay. And after we collect the email address of people, so what we do is that with their email we can send them some offers. For example, we can just try to sell our product and service to these people. Okay, so we can create such email, and we can send these people. We can first collect the email of these different people, and with their when we will going to get their email, so with that email we can just send them in their email about some product and service. Okay, so that they can purchase our product and service. So this is the email marketing. So name only suggesting marketing means what? If I just tell you with one example, let's say, let's take email. Okay, so email, you have understood what is email. Okay, so these are all the emails example. Okay, and now what is marketing? Marketing means sell product and services. So this is the meaning of marketing. Okay, where we just try to sell the product and service. Okay, let me just make it colorful so that you guys can love that. Okay, awesome. Okay. Okay, so hope you guys have understood the concept of email marketing. So in email marketing, what we do is that there are different people, and each people have their email address. Okay, it can be in the form of gmail.com, yahoo.com, or the custom business email. So we just collect all this email address of different people, and with their email we can just do marketing. That means with after collecting the emails we can sell product and service to these people. Okay, very easily. But in nutshell, you guys have understood that what is the concept of email marketing. We have just taught you everything in very basics. Okay, so what now we will going to understand is the concept of lead generation. So basically, guys, now let me just take you in more in depth about email marketing. So in very nutshell, you have understood that when we collect the emails of different people, and after we get their emails, okay, then we just do marketing with their emails. We try to we just try to sell the product and service to these emails. Okay, so that we can generate revenue. So that is the email marketing all about. Okay, but this is just the basics. Let's just go little bit more in depth about this concept. So let's just go with some technical things. For example, if you just go and search for Kuku courses. Okay, just go here to the first website, that is courses.com website, and here if you just scroll down at the very bottom, click on read free blogs, and here you guys can see we have this form. Okay, this form. So this form help us to collect emails. For example, in email marketing, as we have told you that we just collect the email. So what we do is that we just create one page or one form. Okay, and this form something looks like this. And in this form, what we do is that we just put something. Okay, like uh, here we say like enter email. Okay, we just ask user to enter their email address. We can tell them to enter their, let's say, name. Okay, we can even tell them to enter, let's say, address and so on. So you can just ask it anything like phone number. Okay, so you can ask it anything. But in email marketing, emails are very much important. Okay, so email should be there, email have to be there, and along with the emails you can ask other information as well, like name and phone number. But people generally ask the email address and the name, but it's of course the it depends on the business. Okay, for example, real estate business will have to ask for the address of the people as well. So it depends on business to business. Okay, so in email marketing what we do is that we create such type of forms. So let me just put that. So we just create this type of forms. Okay, so with this help of forms what we do, let me just teach you. Okay, and of course in this form there's one more button of submit. Okay, okay, like this. So this is the button which says submit. So any people, whether this Jenny, John, or whatever the name of the people, what they have to do is that wherever we have this form, okay, so these people have to come to this form. They have to see the form, and they have to enter their email address, their name, okay, and they have to click on the submit button. So after they will going to do, so we will be able to collect the information of these people, and how we can create such forms. Okay, we will going to teach you that thing, and along with that, now we will basically going to step by step guide you each and everything, like how to create forms, how to collect leads, everything in practical. But just in general you just have to understand some basics. Okay, so the process where we just collect, let me just write here. The process where we collect emails of people is known as lead generation. Okay, so very simple. So as I have taught you, so the process, what process we are trying to do, we so in lead generation, first of all what we have to do is that, let me just write with some text. Okay, um, so in email marketing what we have to do in the process of lead generation, we first have to create forms. Okay, and this form will basically going to allow us to collect the information of people, and after we will basically going to create the form. Then what we have to do is that we just have to collect the leads of people, and this process is called as lead generation. So to collect leads, okay, so to collect leads, wait, let me just show you. So to collect leads, we have different methods. What we have some different methods to collect leads. Okay, and in this course we will going to teach you how we can collect the leads of people. Okay, So this is where the email marketing comes. So basically in this course we will mainly going to focus about these things like how you can create forms. Okay, and after you can create the form, how we can collect the leads of the people. So we will going to teach you various methods to collect the leads. But in simple, you have understood one thing, that after we collect the leads of the people, then we can do email marketing. So then we can do email marketing. So this is basically the process. So in nutshell, you have understood in very simple and basics that every people have some emails. So we just have to collect the emails of that people in the legal way. Okay, in the legal way. And after we will going to collect the email of the people, we can sell our product and service to this email. That means we will going to send email to this people email address, so that these people can receive the message through email, and there we can sell them the product and service. So this is the email marketing. But before email marketing, it's very much important that we do the lead generation process. So to do email marketing, basically we require the email address. So email address is only possible when we will going to do lead generation. So in lead generation, what we can do is that we first have to create the forms. There are plenty of companies which will going to help you to collect this, which will help you to create these forms for free, which you can use to collect the emails. Okay, and after we will going to create the forms, we will going to teach you various methods how to collect the informations of the people. Okay, and after we will going to collect the information, then you can do the email marketing. But in this particular course, we will put majority of the efforts to create the forms and different methods to collect the leads. Then only the email marketing is possible. So hope you guys have somehow understood in very basics what we have to do for this free course. Okay, so guys, before we proceed further, I just want to tell you that for email marketing and lead generation, you can also use ChatGPT. Okay. So what ChatGPT is? ChatGPT is AI chatbot. If you don't know, you can just create one account, click search for chatgpt.com, or just search for ChatGPT. Click on enter, you will see this URL chatgpt.com. Open this, you will come up over here. Okay, and it's very simple. Just click on this sign up button, and you will see the option to sign up. Just put your email address, or you can use Google, Microsoft, or Apple to sign up. Then it will ask you the phone number, and just verify the phone number, and then you can just create the account here. Okay, so what ChatGPT is, it's very powerful AI chatbot. It's like a human. So for example, if I just write here hi, so now you can see it will just going to give you the answer. Okay, so it's damn powerful, and you can use it for whatever purpose you want to. Okay, so we will basically going to use it for our email marketing. Okay, and the amazing thing about this chatbot is very powerful. It's very powerful, and it can use common sense as well. For example, if I just write here, hey, how many, let's say, states UK has? Okay, or I can say okay, has. Click on enter, it will answer you. Okay, like that. Okay, so here you can see that the United Kingdom doesn't have any states like other country. Okay, such as states or India. Instead, it has made up of 4 countries. Okay, that is England, Scotland. So basically, this is very powerful tool. It will just going to help you for each and everything. Now, for example, if I just type here, hey, how many states England has? Question mark. Now it will just going to answer you, okay, with that. Okay. So it's a very powerful chatbot, and you can just ask it whatever questions you have, and it will going to answer us. Okay. Now you can always click on this uh, pencil button. Now when I'm recording this lecture, so the interface is something like this, but in future it may change. Okay, so like a few months back, this profile option was at the bottom left side. So that's the small changes you can see. Okay, otherwise the concepts which I'm teaching you right now, it will be 100% same. You can always click on this new chat button, so new chat will open, and you can click on the sidebar to see all the previous history. Okay, so this is all about ChatGPT. And again, if you are interested to learn more about ChatGPT, what you can do is that you can just search for Kuku courses, click on enter button. You will see this website, that is kukucourses.com. Open this website like this, and after you will just going to open this website, you just have to scroll down and click on the free courses button. Okay, and after that, after you will going to open this option. So from here, my friends, you guys just have to search for open AI, click on enter button, and then you will see this course OpenAI guide. Just open this particular course, awesome, like this, and just wait for the video player to load. Now OpenAI is a company, okay, that has created the ChatGPT, Delhi model, API, and all these things. So this course is related to AI and all. So if you guys have some kind of interest in AI technologies and like that, so you can follow up this course. And if you want to learn more about how to use ChatGPT properly, okay, so you can watch this course. So basically this course is totally for beginners and very helpful guide. Just click on the start learning button. You don't have to require any kind of, you don't have to sign up, okay, or you don't have to put any credit card details. Just click on the start learning button, and it's totally free course. You can just go ahead and click on the start learning button. That's it. Okay, but hope you guys have somehow understood about chat gpt, how we can use it with email marketing. We will going to teach you that later on. Okay, now guys, we will going to talk about lead magnet. Now what is lead magnet? So guys, no one will going to give their email address, okay, very easily. You always have to offer something for free. So in your form, you just have to mention what you will going to offer for free. Okay, so in my case, for example, if you just go here, like here in my form, you can see that I am offering 30 plus free courses for absolutely free. If I just show you with some other website, let's say there's one website, that is instamojo.com. Just one example, if I just try, okay. So here you can see that they are also collecting the information, and they are also giving something for free. So when you provide something for free, then only people will going to give their email address or whatever information you want to collect. So the process where we just offer something for free in exchange of people information, including email address and other information, so this process is known as lead magnet. Let me just write here, this process is known as lead magnet. Awesome. Okay, so we have to create a lead magnet. It's very simple and easy. Okay, so what you can do is that you can just go to ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT about this thing. Okay, so you can say, hey ChatGPT, or you can say, hey, I want lead magnet for my. Now here you can just write whatever business you are in. For example, let's say real estate. Okay, or you can be, let's say, in any business. Okay, let's say freelancing business. Okay, or you can be, let's say, in mining business. Now whatever business you are in, you can just tell that to ChatGPT. Hey, I want lead magnet for my, let's say, real estate business uh, to collect the lead information like their email address. So can you suggest me to write, or to can you suggest me some topics on which I can create lead magnet, and the type will be blog article. So suggest me topics. Okay, so just write each and everything like you can see over here. Just replace your business, whatever you're doing, then click on enter. I have just taken with the example of a lead magnet, and here you can see these are some topics on which you can write the content. Okay, uh, so here you can see. Okay, so let's say if you're in real estate business, so these are some topics that can be really interesting. Okay, so whatever topic you love, you can just select that. For example, I love this one, or let's say this one. Okay, so you can just tell to ChatGPT. Okay, like I have selected this. Now I can say to ChatGPT, hey, can you write blog article on this topic? Okay, just paste it, the topic, between the quotes, click on enter. Now ChatGPT will going to write the content. So this free content you can offer, okay, to your to the people. Okay, and in exchange for that, they will going to give their email address and other information. So you can see this is the information. Now meanwhile what you guys can do is that you can just open a new tab. You can just search for Google Sites, click on enter, click on this one, this option. Okay, now Google Sites will going to help us to create the free content. Okay, you can click on, oh, got it, click on this blank site, and we can say just put the title. Now whatever title ChatGPT has told, just copy that, just paste it over here. Okay, you can make it bigger, let's say 24, change the color to whatever you want. And after that, what you guys can do is that you can just come here and you can see you have got too many things, so you can just add that over here. Okay, so let's see what we can add. Let's say this dog, so just select that. And if you don't have any dogs here, so what you guys can do is that you can just open Google Docs, click on enter, just go to Google Docs. So I'm just showing you all the free methods, okay, uh, so that you don't spend any money. Let's say lead magnet, I can name it for 10 tips. Okay, so here you can just copy and paste the content. That's it. Copy this and paste it over here like this. Awesome. Okay, and after you do this, just make sure that it's saved. Just refresh it. Awesome. So you can see that this is safe now. Now what you can do is that you can just go here to Google site, just refresh it. Now just go to scroll down, just select the Google Docs. This is the lead magnet one, just select that, click on insert. That's it. Allow anyone with the link to access. Yes, just to view. That's it. Share. Okay, so I guess this should work. I don't know why it's not showing up over here. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so this is done. Now you can just enter the site. For example, let's say thank you. Okay, so after, basically you can see that when people will just going to fill the form, so then only you will going to provide them this lead magnet. Okay, so that's why I have written something like this. Thank you. Let's say lead magnet. Awesome, like this. Click on the publish button. You can just write whatever you want. Lead space magnet, and then okay, so this is available. Click on the publish button. That's it. Click on this view button, and here you can see that's embedded over here like this. Awesome. So this is the URL. Okay, so you can just share this URL. You can also open this in the private window, and when people will just going to fill the form, okay, so you just have to say give this free article. Okay, so uh, hope you guys have understood how you can create lead magnet for absolutely free with the help of ChatGPT. So this is the same procedure you have to do. Okay, and you can see that we have for sure created a lead magnet, and this lead magnet we can provide when someone will going to fill the information like email, name, and when they will click on the submit button, they will get this lead magnet over here. Okay, and one more thing, it's very much simple. Okay, to create about list. Now what is that? We will teach you that, but hope you guys have understood how you can create the leads. Okay, so now we will basically going to teach you one more concept, that is list. Okay, so basically you have collected the lead magnet, that means you have created the lead magnet, and you all know that when we will going to offer something for free, any offer for free, so people will just going to give their email address to us. Okay, and when they will going to submit, we can collect their email address. But question arises is that, okay, we will going to collect that their email address, but where all this email address will going to store? That is the question, right? So for that, my friends, we have to take the help of a list. So list is another concept. So let me just write here list. Some email marketing tool can call it as a segment as well, okay, like Moti call that as a segment, okay, or Mailchimp can call that as a audience list, okay. So for every email marketing the name is different, but they work the same way. So basically what it is, okay, let me just teach you guys about that. Mm. So basically, guys, list is a kind of a box, or I can say container. Okay, let me just write here box. Okay, let's say container. Okay, so let's take this as a container over here. Okay, so now whenever anyone will just going to see, let's suppose Jenny, okay, Jenny, she will see the offer of your lead magnet that you are providing some free content, okay, and let's say Jenny want that content, so she will going to put her email address, her name, and when she will going to click on the submit button, so her all this information will go inside one container, okay. Similarly, all the email address of the people will go inside this container and it will going to save inside the container. So this container is known as list. Some business can call that as a segment. Some business can even call that as an audience list. So there are different names, but the purpose of these containers are same, that when any user just fill the form, so after they will just going to click on the submit or subscribe button. So container purpose is to collect or and store all those information, okay, of the people, right. So this is what I just try to teach you guys over here, okay. So basically list audience, this helps to store data of people, that's it. So it's very much important that we also create some list, okay. And how we can do that, it's very simple. Just go to the tool, any tool you want, okay, and then just go to the context, go to the list. So from here in Selzy, this is the process, but whatever tool you're using, the process is same. Otherwise, you can contact to their support team and you can ask them how can I create the list. That means after someone will going to fill the form, so where I can store on which particular segment list I can store that information of the users. Like you can see I have a various list, like this one free courses newsletter. So here around 38 people data is inside this list, okay, the email data. So okay, so same you can click on create a list. Let's say I can just write in the me list just for a teaching purpose. Click on create button, that's it. And so you have created the list. Now whenever anyone will going to create the form, so I will going to teach you that how you can create this form. And whenever someone will going to subscribe or submit the form, all the information of the people will just go here. So you can make some settings, change the settings over here, okay. So just come to this campaign defaults in Salesy. This is here, okay. So here you just have to make sure that uh, basically how you can give the lead magnet. That means someone will, let's say when someone will going to fill the information, so how you can give them the lead magnet, okay, the which you have created. So let me see, okay, let me just see. You don't have to do anything over here, okay. so it's here. So what you have to do is that you just have to remove this one, the confirmation thank you page, and here this is the lead magnet you have created, right? So just copy the URL like this, right click and copy this, just go here and paste the link over here. That's it. Now click on the save button. That's it. Go to opt-in. Just you can also preview the email. That's it. Now just close it. So this is what you have to do. Just make sure that you change the lead magnet URL and put over here. So now what we have done is that we have created the container where all the list of the users will going to store, and along with that what we have done is that we told to the email marketing system that anyone when they will going to fill the form, so then only give them this free lead magnet which we have created. Okay, so now you can see here are all the list. Now this is the dummy list which you have created, and now whenever any people will going to fill the form, okay, so they will all go to this list inside here. Okay, and in coming time we will also going to teach you that how you can connect this list with your form, because right now our form we have not yet created the form. Okay, this form we have not yet created. We will teach you how to create this form. So when we create this form, so at that time we will going to teach you how we can connect this form to this list, so that whenever any people will going to fill the information, so that information will go to this container. Okay, so we just have to link it. So let me just write here. So we just have to link these two, okay, together, and we will teach you when we will going to create the form. But right now, hope you guys have somehow understood the idea. Okay, now guys, first as we have told you that we will going to create this form. Okay, so there are plenty of websites that will going to help you to create these forms for free, so that you can capture the email address of people. Okay, so there are plenty of websites like Salesy, Mailchimp, MailerLite, even Mautic, and many more. I will going to provide all these websites link at the bottom. Okay, so we will going to go with, let's say, Salesy, but the same process. Okay, with all the websites. Okay, so you can see even Mailchimp provides you the form option. Even you can just create the form in the MailerLite. Okay, so all this website has free option. Okay, and let me just teach you one thing that you can see it's very free to sign up. Okay, so just sign up to all this website, sign up, and it's totally free. Even if you just go to the pricing of this website. Okay, so here you guys can see the complete thing. Okay, like forms, you can see you can create the forms unlimited. Okay, even in the uh, free plan. Okay, so that's it. You can see the criteria and all. Okay, so just go with any of the platform, and we will, in this example we will going to go with the Salesy. Okay, but I have a one amazing thing for you. If you, let's say, want to learn the, let's say, Mailchimp, like how to use it, how to create forms. Similarly, let's say if you want to go with MailerLite, and if you want to know how MailerLite works and how to create the forms and all that thing, even with the Mautic. So what you guys can do is that you can just search for Cuckoo courses. Okay, so let me just show you. You can just search for Cuckoo courses, click on enter button, just go to this website, that is courses.com website. Awesome. After you will come to this website, you just have to scroll at the very bottom. click on free courses button. Let's wait. Also you can just click on free courses here as well, so it will just going to display all the amazing free courses we have. So you can see from Google Blogger to affiliate marketing, you can just come to our website and watch the courses for free. So here you can see we have a MailChimp. You can just open this, okay, or even you can just search for, let's say, MailChimp, click on enter if you want to learn the free course about MailChimp. So just open this course, and let's say if you want to learn about, let's say, MailerLite, click on enter button, you will see the free MailerLite course, okay. And let's say similarly you can just go more with Mautic is completely free and open source. You can install the Mautic just inside your server and you can learn about Mautic here. So for all these courses we have provided you, okay. So you can simply click on the start learning button, and if you want to get the knowledge about these platforms, whether it's let's say MailChimp or MailerLite, or let's say Mautic and so on, so you can just search for that on our website. You will going to get the free course. Just come here, click on the start learning button, and you can just go and watch our courses, okay. Now so after basically as I have told you that all this platform provides the free plan. Even in the MailChimp you will going to get the free plan. Let me show you guys. So here you can see MailChimp has the free plan as well. So this is what I'm just trying to say you guys. So here you can see you can create the forms for absolutely free in the free plan as well. So you can just you do not require any investment, whatever platform you are using. Even let's say Salesy, you don't require to create any kind of or you just have to pay any kind of thing. Every platform is free, okay, and all the works the same way, okay. So after you will going to come join any platform, just join it for free. And if you want to learn more about that, I have taught you that you can just go to our website and learn it, okay. Now if we just go with the Celsi, so I have also provided the link of the Celsi as well. So you can just search for my-link.in/Celsi. Everything is small. Click on enter. You will again come to the website. Click on the pricing, and in the pricing also you can see the free plan. And here also you can just create the forms for absolutely free, okay. So you don't have to worry about anything, okay. So just come to the website, sign up for the free, and that's it. After you will come to any of the website, whether that's a MailChimp, MailerLite, Mautic, or any other platform. We are using Salesy, okay. So you can just come here to the tools option, click on that. And by the way, when I'm recording the lecture, so at that time this is the look of any platform, okay. So it might little bit change in the future as well, but the concept which I am teaching you, it will be 100% same. So now we just have to create the form where we can, let's say, collect the email and name. So for that we will just going to click on the create form. It's totally free. You can just write the name, okay. So name, let's say what we can say, let's say demo form, just for teaching purpose, but you can just create it for whatever purpose. Click on the create button. That's it, okay. And here you can see this is the email, okay. And from here you can just totally play with it, okay. So after that you can just click on this content, and you can just drag, let's say, headline, or let's say some paragraphs over here, okay. Even you can add some images and all. And now you can just say and or even you can ask to ChatGPT. You can just take the screenshot, okay, like this, and you can just upload that image over here. And you can say to ChatGPT, hey, what I write some something I catchy for my form. Okay, for the above lead magnet. Okay, I catchy. Okay, generate title and subtitle or some like this. Click on enter button, and now it will just going to generate the title and subtitle. So we can say like this: unlock your dreams home, like that. Just paste it here. You can just change the settings, just make, sorry, you can just paste at the top, and from here you can just decrease it, make it to center. And what is the subtitle, just copy that. Just for an example, you can add as many as thing you want to the form. Now you can also collect name as well. For example, click here on this form. Here you can just add new field. Let's add new field, let's say name. Okay, so name you can also ask. That's it. You can add as many as thing. If you will click on connect, you can even add the videos as well. Okay, just drag the video and so on, but let's make it simple, easy. And after that, click on the save button, which is very much important. Click on the active button, and click on save and continue button. Okay, and then from the settings, okay, make sure embed is selected, then just go to integration. From here, as I have told you, that we just have to connect our form. So this is the form we have created. You can see this is the form in the design. You can see that this is the form we have created. Now we just have to connect this form. Click on the next, click on save and continue. We just have to connect this form to this container which we have created. So if you just go wait, if you just go over here. Oops, I guess my mouse battery has been lost. Let me just connect it. Okay, okay, so here we have here. Okay, so we just have to connect this form to our, you know, this container. So at the top you can see where to save and store the context. Okay, so you just have to select your list which you have created. In our case, that is the list. And after that, you can just click on again save and exit, and you can see that this is the dummy form we have created. So I will again click on this pencil button, click on HTML code, click on this copy button. Okay, just go to your Google Sheets, which is this Google Sites, and here you will see this pages option. Click on that pages option. From here, click on this plus symbol. You will see this something known as full page embed. Select that and name it. Let's say uh, whatever you want to name. For example, we can just name it, let's say, mm, dream home expert tips. Okay, something like that. So I can say dream home expert tips. Let's say click on done, and from here click on add embed. Click on embed code and right click and paste the code which you have copied from this software. Okay, so just copy that and just paste the code here. Okay, then click on the next button, click on insert. That's it. Awesome. So you have got this one over here. Okay, now you can just click on pages. Now you have two one. Okay, um, that's it. Now what you have to do is that you can even add some images if you want to make it more attractive. For example, wait, let me just see what we can do. Okay, this much is okay. Okay, we won't go too much here. Just click on the publish button, okay, and just publish it. That's it. Click on this view button, and this is your landing page. Now you just have to, basically you have created the landing page, and inside this landing page you guys can see that you have your form, so people can just put their information and they can just subscribe here for absolutely free, right? So now you have two things. One is the thank you page and another one is the landing page over here, right? So of course you can totally customize it the way you want, okay. um, Wait, let me just see. Mm, okay, that's it, but I guess we have made some mistake. We should have, put this in the home page. That means this particular thing, but I'm not sure that how I can change that thing over here, okay. And one more thing, from the home page, what you can do is that you can just duplicate. Let's see if we can do that. Let's click on that, and from here let's delete this, okay. And from the thank you, what we can say is that, okay, just go to the home. Okay, so you have got the home page over here, and this is okay. So what we can do, guys, it's very simple. Let's fix this problem. This is the home page, so just duplicate it. So you will going to create a copy of home, okay. So from here just make sure that delete that, okay. And from home also you can just delete each and everything. Just select this, delete this, just select this, delete this, and you can just write here like this one: unlock your dream expert inside. Let's say this one, just paste it over here like this, okay. uh, just go to pages, okay, just go to the home, okay. And here what you can do is that you can just click on, let's say, go to insert. From here you can just go ahead and embed the code. So here you will see this embed option. Select that, embed, and just copy and paste the same code over here. Click on the next button, click on insert. Now that's how it will going to look like. So this will be your home page, and of course you can totally design this home page, like you can shrink it here like this, and if you want to make it big you can, okay, like this. And you can just write more about here, okay, like you can just display some things like image carousel, okay. You can just add the contact box and so on. But let's not waste the time, you can totally design it. Now just go to pages. So this is basically the one we have created right now, okay. And this will be the copy one. So what we can do is that we can just delete this third one, that is code one. That's it. So now this is the thank you page. So now we can just put it here. Let's say thank you like this, okay. Thank you for submission, awesome, okay. That's it. And just publish each and everything, and you can just hide this, okay. So wait, let me just see. Mm, hide from navigation, click on this option, so this will going to get hide. Now just publish it, that's it. Now make sure to publish the home page as well, okay. Great. So you can see we have now home page, which is this one, and this is the thank you one. So let me just open these two. So what you can do is that, let's remove all this thing. This is the home page. I can just copy the URL of the home page, So you can see if I open this, so this is where people will come, but here this is showing thank you for submission. I want this one. Hmm, let's say 10 must tips for home buyers. Okay, let's publish it. Publish it. Now let me just copy the link. Now just see this. This is your home page where people will come. Okay, I don't know why it hasn't changed yet. Okay, so sorry, you can just put that over here as well. That means this name you can just put here. Okay, now I guess it will going to get changed. Okay, so let me just copy the link and try again. So you can see that this is the landing page where people will come and they will put the information. Okay, and another page is this one. This is the thank you page, so you can just write here thanks for submission. That's it. Okay, just publish it, click on publish. That's it. Now just copy the link. Okay, now just open the link. That's it. So you can see that when someone will going to fill the information, then only they will going to get this free article to read, right? So we have got the landing page and we have also created the thank you page. Okay, where people will only come when they will going to submit the form. Okay, so my friends, that is how we guys can uh, create the forms very easily. Just click on the save and exit button. Okay, so now guys, we just have to configure one thing. As I have told you that we have got the thank you page. So just make sure that you copy the thank you page URL. If you will going to remember that, let's say in the context, in the list, click on the list. This is the dummy list. Just open this. Make sure you change the URL, because click here on go to campaign defaults and just replace with the thank you page. So just remove this one and paste this one over here, thank you lead magnet one. Okay, this is the small changes you have to do. Now just come over here. Okay, now just see the magic. Okay, so we will going to test our uh, the process. Okay, that means when someone will going to fill the information which is over here. Okay, so how they can just get this one. So that is what we will going to test it here. Okay, so first just put the email address, just put the, let's say, name. Any people will come, they will put all this information, click on the subscribe button, and after they will going to subscribe, they will see this option to confirm the subscription. So the users basically have to just open their email to confirm that. Okay, so right now we haven't received. Sometimes it may even go to the spam tab. Okay, or you can just refresh it. You can see the users will going to receive this type of email to confirm the subscription, and when they will click on this confirm subscription, they will going to get your lead magnet. That's it. So this is the process which we have tested right now, and it is working absolutely fine. Okay, so the process is very simple, guys. People will just going to come to this form, they will fill the form, and when they will click on subscribe button, it will tell people to confirm the subscription, which is very much important. So they will going to get the confirmation link on their email address like this. They just have to click on the confirm, and when they will just confirm, then only they can just get the free resources which we have created over here, okay, which is this one. So everything is working absolutely fine, and that is how you have to set up each and everything in the email marketing tool, okay. Now one more thing, if you just go to the list, just refresh it. Now it's not showing, but it will soon going to show. So if you just click on this dummy list, so here you can see that the email has been added. So that is what I have told you, that container will going to store the information. So right now this dummy Lonare, when he has filled the form here and when it's submitted, so that information has been stored in the list, and the list name we have here is the dummy list. And here you can see this contact, this email address has now been added here to the list, and that's it, okay. So you have got the email of the people, okay. So this is very amazing, okay. And we have just done some technical things, so you can even do, you can create as many as list, as many as form, and the procedure will be same. And you have understood the concept of, let's say, lead magnet. Lead magnet, you can create that with ChatGPT. Form you can just create for free, okay. And how to embed the form, we have taught you. You can use Google Sites, which is absolutely free for you to use it, okay. You can create the list and how to connect the forms and container together, that means list together, and how to connect the lead magnet. So each and every process we have taught you step by step, okay. And hope you guys have understood it, and we have tested that, and it is working absolutely fine, okay. Now guys, you all know that we have created this form. Awesome. Wait, let me just teach you. We have created this form, and we have used Google Sites, remember. We use Google Sites, okay. So basically you can see that we have used Google Sites, and inside that Google Sites, inside this Google Sites, we have, uh, put our form. So you here you can see we have put this form. Now guys, Google site has given you this URL which you can see here. So this Google Sites, wait, so this Google Sites has given you one URL, okay, one link which you can get from here. So wherever you have put the form, just get the link like this. So uh, you know Google site has given you this URL in this case, okay. So this is my URL, okay. So now what you have to do is that you just have to promote this URL. That means you just have to, whatever URL you have got, you just have to promote this URL as much as possible. Now see what I mean to say. Basically, there will be people only, okay. These people only who will basically going to come right on your form, and they will going to fill the form. So basically, these people, we say in the digital marketing world as traffic. They are the traffic. So guys, when you will going to promote your this this landing page URL to more and more people. Okay, so more and more people, or I can say traffic, will come to your form and they will fill the form, and more email contact you will going to get, right? So that's why, as I have told you, that you just have to promote as much as you can. So what you can do to promote it, you can use amazing social media platforms. Like, let me just teach you. What you can do is that you can just start with, let's say, some platforms like social media platform you can use. Wait, so you can use, let's say, social media platforms. Okay, now these platforms can be, let's say, it can be Quora, Pinterest, Instagram, etc., etc. Okay, or what you can do is that you can just take the help of SEO. Wait, you can also take the help of SEO, that is search engine optimization, and you can just write the content. SEO, you can create your WordPress site and there you can just write the content. Okay, or you can use some paid ads as well. You can use some paid ads, like, let's say, uh, Twitter ads, let's say Google ads, let's say Meta, that is Facebook and Instagram ads, and many more. So when you will going to promote your this URL or your this landing page of Google site, okay, when you will going to promote it more and more, so people will come to your form and they will going to give their details. So it's only possible when you will going to put efforts and promote it. So different methods, that is using social media, that is using SEO, that is using paid ads. So these are basically the methods which you can use to promote your form, so that more and more people or traffic can come and they can fill the form. Then only you will going to get more and more email address of the people. So you might be thinking, okay, so how we can do that? So guys, see, you just have to use and promote this URL, whatever URL you have created, just copy that and just promote it to social media platforms. Like, what you can do is that you can just go to Cuckoo Courses, just search for Cuckoo Courses, click on enter button, go to this first link, cuckoocourses.com website. You will come up over here, and here you can just go and scroll at the bottom, click on free courses, and just search here, let's say, or just search here, let's say, free courses. You will going to find a lot of amazing courses. Like, let's first talk about social media platforms. Okay, so here you go, let's cross it. So what you can do is that you can use, let's say, you can see here Pinterest. So you can watch this course, that is Pinterest. Okay, this will going to help you to bring website traffic. So you can just get the traffic to this particular URL, so that more and more people can come here and fill the information. Okay, and you can watch this course, social media one, you can, okay, Pinterest one, you can just go to the second page. You can, let's say, uh, use Quora as well. You can see ChatGPT for Quora get free website traffic from Quora. You can watch this one as well. So you can see this is the Quora platform. You can get the traffic from here as well, completely free. Okay. And by the way, how it works, just open this course. Okay, and this is how it will look. Just click on the start learning button and the video player will going to load. If it doesn't load, you can just simply refresh it anytime, it will going to load. Okay, just click on this play button and watch the tutorial. Okay, by the way, if the video player doesn't load, just refresh it until it loads. Okay, so very simple. So basically you just have to come to our website, you just have to explore other courses, like you can use Quora to get traffic. Okay, you can also use YouTube. Okay, that is YouTube. You can just create some faceless YouTube videos with free AI tools. And in your YouTube, what you can do is that you can just go to youtube.com. Let's say just open any video. Let's suppose this video. And now what you have to do is that you have to create one YouTube video that is related to this offer. So this offer is related to real estate in my case, so I will going to create one YouTube video, okay, on any topic. And at the end of the video I can just promote this URL. I can tell to the viewers at the end of the video that they can just get my free offer, whatever lead magnet you are providing it. So you can tell them that in the description I have provided the link, like this person has provided the Amazon link. So in the description you can provide your this link, okay, of your form link, and tell users or viewers to just go to that link and submit their information, and in that way you can just collect the information, okay, from your form. So you can also use YouTube. So for that you can watch this tutorial, this video, and let me see. Okay, so you can just also we have this YouTube course as well. Okay, so you can just watch these free courses like Quora, Pinterest, YouTube. Even you can use Facebook, uh, Instagram. Okay, to get the traffic. So in Instagram, what you can do is that in the bio you can provide the link of this one. So whenever anyone will come, they will click on the link in the bio and they will going to get the option of this, okay, to fill the form. So this is using the social media platforms. You can also use SEO. Now we will not going to go with this option if you don't know what SEO is. So basically in nutshell, you just have to write the articles like we have written here. So you can just click on the read free blogs, and suppose this is one or you can see, you can just see this is one, uh, article we have written, free digital marketing memes. And at the end of your blog you can just put this form here. Okay, so you can put your form, whatever form you have created, just uh, the code which you have used. So just paste the code in your article at the bottom. Okay, and in that way you can promote that. Okay, you can tell to the readers that if you want to get the offer, just subscribe to the email. So this is basically what you can do. So for that we have another courses. Again, just go to the first page. Okay, and from here let me just teach you which course you have to see. Just go to the third page. Okay, so here is the course, that is SEMrush and ChatGPT for SEO WordPress. So make sure this watch this course totally for free, 1 hour 30 minutes course. You will learn each and everything. So with SEO also you can just promote your form, or you can even provide the link so people can come here. So the people or traffic will come and they will put the information. Okay, otherwise you can use some paid ads, okay, like Twitter, Google, and so on. So you can again just come to the first page. You will going to see lots of courses, and along with that you can use this Google Blogger and Medium as well. Medium is also a platform that can help you to get the traffic. You just have to write the article and you can attach the link below of your URL. Okay, so everything has been taught in this course, so you can watch these two courses as well. Now here you can see you can use, let's say, Twitter ads. So you can see Twitter ads. So if you want to learn Twitter ads, so using Twitter ads you can send traffic, but make sure that this is a paid method. Okay, this top two are the free methods to promote, but this method is a pay. That means you have to pay, and in return these platforms like Twitter, Google, etc., they will just going to send traffic here. Okay, so we have a plenty of courses. Like for Twitter ads, this is the course. Snapchat you can use to drive traffic. You can use LinkedIn ads to drive the traffic. You can use Microsoft ads to drive the traffic. Go to the second page. You can even use Google ads to drive the traffic. So you can see plenty of courses we have, right? So all this will going to help you to promote your firm. And with these platforms, what will going to happen? The traffic will that with this when you will going to promote with all these platforms, so you will just going to get the traffic. Okay, traffic. Okay, and this traffic will then just go to your contact form, and they will going to fill the form. And after they will going to fill the form, all their data will just going to store in the container over here. So idea is somehow that simple. So after they will fill the form, all the information will just go and stored inside the container after they will going to fill the form. So this is what you have to do. And as I have told you that if you will just going to see the policy, let's say maybe you are watching this free course from our website, or let's say Udemy, so you can always check this, like uh, Udemy free duration policy. So they do not allow to post the content of more than 2 hours. So that's why make sure that you go ahead and watch these free courses, because these courses are 2 hours, so it's not possible to include each and everything here. So that's why we have created a separate course. So just go here and watch all the courses to get the traffic and promote your contact form. Now how you can send the bulk emails. Okay, so as we have taught you guys that you can just create your list. So as we have taught you that you can use various other methods to promote your contact form to get more and more traffic. They will fill the form and they will all going to get stored inside your container, that is list. Now, similarly, we have created this list. Remember this dummy list. So more and more people will come here. Okay. Now, thing is that how we can send them emails. You can just go here to the campaigns. So basically, in any platform, you can see that. You can just click on this create campaign. Okay, which you guys can see up over here. And from here you can just click on this emails. Okay, and you can always use the new version, but by default maybe when you will see that it will just going to be in may new version only. So from here you can just click on this scratch button, that's it, and you can cross it and just wait for the application to open. That's it, very simple. You just have to put the email address Okay, so whatever you want to promote them, because as we have told you in the starting of the class, that after you get the email list of the people, you can send them emails, okay, and promote anything you want. So here is you just have to write the test pre-header. What is pre-header? Let me just show you. So in every email you can see like this, the name, the subject, and the pre-header is this text hello you have. So it will just going to show up here, so you can just write here pre-header, okay, and from here this part you can just write whatever you want. For example, in elements I can just go and drag the text here. Let's say this is the text, you can just write, you can just write anything. You can just mark that link here, okay, wherever you want to send them. You can promote your product and service over here. So after you basically going to write the email, you just have to click on the continue button, okay. You just have to write from which email address you will going to send. You just have to mention that. Just click on the continue button, and in which email list. So right now you can see this dummy list only has one, but when you will going to store more and more list, okay, more and more contacts or people, okay, who will going to give their email address, okay. So you can just select that list and then click on the continue button. You can see everything, okay, like send now. Just click on this send campaign, click on send campaign, and the email will go, okay. So now you can see all that information will going to show up over here. For example, if you just go to this campaign, you can see that one email has been sent, because in this list we have only one, right? So that's why one email has gone. You can just refresh your inbox. You will going to receive the email here only very soon. Let's wait. Sometimes it takes time. Like this, you got this email like this, okay. So that's how you can send the bulk emails, okay, with the email marketing after you will going to collect the emails, okay. And now you can see that if you just refresh it, the statistics will going to change. Like you can see after a few minutes later, you will see that data, like how much email has been delivered and open. You can just refresh it again and again. After some time this data will be visible, like here it's delivered and it's open. And if you have provided any links here on your email, so if anyone will going to click on that link, so that data will also going to show up here. So that's how you can send the bulk emails. So this is what I just want to tell you, okay. So we have here the dummy list. So right now only one contact is there, but when you are going to have multiple contacts, you can just send them the bulk emails this way. Now you might be thinking that it will take too much time to collect the leads. It's not like that, my friends. If you will going to see, I have various other platforms. Basically I have more than 30,000 email list in different platforms. I have, like in this email marketing platform, I have 1,600 subscribers and so on. So basically just work, you will going to understand, you will basically going to you will basically be able to collect the email list of the people very easily. You guys do not have to worry about anything like how I will be able to do, okay. Just put your efforts, just watch the free courses from our website, okay. That will going to help you to promote it. Or you can just go to YouTube and you can search how to send traffic from Quora to my website. You will going to get a good idea, okay. So that's how the email marketing works. That's how you can just get the lead with the lead generation method. And I guess in this free course you have learned a lot of things like concept of email marketing, lead magnet, what are forms, what are lists. Okay, and we have taught you a plenty of things practically, and how you can take the help of ChatGPT in email marketing, that has also been covered, right? So one more thing that many people say, that can be by the list. So basically there are plenty of websites, like you can see email buy. Okay, so you will just going to see plenty of websites where you can just buy the database. Okay, so you can see a plenty of websites. So please do not buy the email list from these websites. Okay, so always make sure that if you want to become expert in email marketing, just grow your email list. Okay, as with your own efforts and hard work. Okay, and we have just taught you plenty of methods to promote, and you can achieve that. Okay, please, but do not buy anything from these websites, otherwise that can be the problematic. And one more thing, if you just search for Kuku courses again, just go to our website kukucourses.com, click on the courses. Okay, and you will see some of the courses we have, like this one, that is email marketing automation. If you don't see it, you can just search for email something, that keyword. You will see plenty of courses like email marketing MailChimp 6 hours course. Okay, and if you want to create your own email marketing platform to send bulk emails without depending upon any other platforms, so you can install Mautic. So for that we have tutorial over here for the Mautic. For MailerLite we have, and so on. So you can just check some paid courses as well, which we have in our website. And this is the course as well, that is email marketing automation 6 hours course, which you can also prefer. You can just watch this course, complete 6 hours course for you guys. You will basically be able to learn a lot of things. Like in email marketing, you can just set up automations, pop-ups, and how to professionally design the campaign. Each and everything has been taught in very in depth in this 6 hours course. Okay, this is just a beginner's guide, so for beginners that's okay, you have got the idea. But in case if you want to become pro, so we have this course over here in our website. Okay, along with that, at the very last in the bonus lesson, we will also going to attach the course links. So from there you can also purchase it, but from our website you can just get all the courses in the membership. Okay, so click on this get membership, or even you can just click on this membership at the top, and from here you can basically purchase the membership. And when you will going to have a membership, okay, so then you can basically be able to access all the courses at the affordable price. And whenever we will going to launch new courses, you can also uh, you will also going to get the access to those new courses as well for free. So just grab the membership in our website if you guys are interested. Otherwise, in the last bonus lesson we have also attached the link for the courses as well, so that's depend on you. But hope you guys have learned a lot of things about the email marketing if you're a beginner, and you have understood how we can do email marketing very easily. And we have taught you each and everything from basics, and we have used all the free resources, whether that's a email marketing platform, or whether that's a landing page where we have embed the form. Okay, so with a lot of free resources we have taught you a lot of things. Even this course is also free. So this is what I just wanted to teach you, and hope you guys have learned a lot of things in this free email marketing course.